Today in this video we are going to study about Ichimoku Cloud. Very wonderful indicator which will explain you each and everything of the market, whether the market is bullish, bearish, sideways, how to take a trade, where to take a trade, what is the significance of 5 lines, everything. So this Ichimoku is comprised of 5 lines. One is 9 average. What is that 9 average? I will explain you in detail. One is of 26 average. One line is of 52. One line is of calculation as shown there. 2 clouds are there. So each and every component has been explained in detail in the later part of the video. But you just need to understand each line has some or the other importance. So you, while listening to this video, listen carefully how minutely the each and every part has been explained to you, because this will make sure you are understanding the things clearly. So the cloud is there, the green cloud, the red cloud. The green cloud suggests that above that the market is bullish, the red cloud suggests that below that the market is bearish. So very good, very good. So just understand this deeply, the meaning of Ichimoku. Once you understand this, you will note down that you can easily understand what is the trend of the market, bearish, bullish, everything. So let me first explain the formulae. You can see on the screen the formulae for Kansen line, that is red line, even it is called as converging line, is as shown. Then the formula for Kijun line, blue line, is as shown. Then the formula for Senku span A, that is even called as level A, leading span A line, is as shown. Then the Senku span B, level B, and leading span B is as shown. Lagging span, that is Chiku span, is a lagging indicator, and the formula is as shown. You just understand that these are the formula and how they are derived. The software will do it for you. So go to any indicator, apply Ichimoku and enter the parameter 9, 26, 52 and again 26. So you will get this structure. The structure, and after that we will now see each and every part of the market. So in this video we are going to see about Tenkan-sen, the red line, how to calculate the red line and how to use the red line. So Tenkan-sen is very easily calculated by taking 9 bar period. You take 9 bar period highest high, 9 bar period highest low, divide by 2. This you do the exercise for last 9 bars. So you will get dots, join them, you will get a Tenkan-sen line. It is not a simple moving average. It has many components. It has plateau-like structure, it has river-like structure, going towards south, going towards north. So what does all this structure say? Let us understand in detail. If the price is above the red line, that shows the market is bullish. If the price is below the red line, that shows market is bearish. If the market is forming a plateau-like structure, that shows market is going in a retracement zone or a reversal zone or to the main trend line. Some reversal has happened. So that is what a flat line shows. So even then after flat, so you see here the flash line structure is there. So market has gone from going up to a plateau-like structure. So the plateau-like structure shows market is making a flat, the retracement or congestion. Now after that congestion, once the market flow in the upward direction, that shows the market is bullish upside. If the market show downside direction, it shows the market is downside bearish. So this was all regarding the red line. A simple strategy what few traders use, ki a market is below the price, the line is above the price, that means bearish. Line is below the price, that means market is bullish. So once you understand this, now we are in the next video, we will see about the blue line, Kijun line. So this was each and everything regarding red line. So now how to use this red line? As already explained, this line is when it's moving towards south shows and the price is below shows bearish movement. The moment it form a flat like structure, it shows the market is going sideways or going down. The moment after that it moves upward, it shows the market is bullish. So this is very good structure, very good diagram, very good lines to understand, but the concept you need to understand in this way. It is not like a simple moving average where a smooth flow is there. So this shows about the red line. Now in the next video we will see about the Kijun-sen blue line. What is this Kijun-sen blue? Kijun-sen in Japanese means base criteria. So in many software you will see base instead of base, the baseline is written. So in this video we will explain you in detail about the Kijun-sen blue line. So how to use the Kijun-sen blue line and how to calculate the blue line. So this line is formed by 26 period highest high, 26 period low divided by 2. So once you do that, once you make this highest high and low, the line which is formed, this structure is called as Kijun-sen or blue line. This is very, very important, and you should practically see this line to find the market trend, sideways, up movement, down movement, and it gives a very good results. So this is how the software calculate the blue line. And when you see the blue line, so you will find again a plateau like structure, a river moving downward, a river moving towards south, a plateau like structure. Always remember, the moment you get a plateau like structure, that means there is a congestion or a retracement. After that, whichever side the slope turns, that is the side the market will take the direction. So all this minutely, if you will understand, it will help you in taking the trade. So now when you understand this, so how to use this line? So if the market price is below the Kijun-sen line, bearish, and there should not be a plateau like structure. If the plateau like structure is formed, that is the time to book the profit or exit from the trade. You can re-enter if the direction happens the same direction. If the market is moving upward, you can take again the trade. If the price is above the Kijun-sen line, that means bullish. If the market becomes flat, if the Kijun-sen line becomes flat, that shows the market has now entered in a sideways zone. And if again it shows a tilted upward, that shows the market has been. So this was all regarding the Kijun-sen blue line. Now once you understand the use of the blue line, now the next line which is we are going to see is Chiku span green line, how to use and calculate. So now in this video we are going to see about Chiku span green line, how to use and calculate it. So in previous video we have seen, in previous part we have seen about red line, we have seen about blue line. Now what is this Chiku span green line and what is the use? Chiku span in Japanese means lagging. So in order to understand, either you learn it with the help of colors, or you understand lagging means lagging means it is backward. So the current price when projected 26 period backward and a line is drawn connecting them, that show it's a Chiku span line or the green line. So what is now the importance, how to use this line? So when Chiku span line is used, if before the 26 period bar the color is above the price, that shows the market is bullish. If before 26 period, if the Chiku span is below the price, that show market is bearish. So here when the price is here, we find the price, the Chiku span line is above the price. Now somewhere here, if we go behind, here we see Chiku span line, so it is below the price, that shows market is bearish. So this is very good indicator, and it is used along with the other strategy to understand or to gauge the strength of the trend. So very good, this is one of the very good component of Ichimoku. So this is how you. Now in the next we will see how to see the entire Ichimoku cloud, how to see. So in this video we are going to see the entire structure. So two more lines are remaining, that is of Ichimoku Cloud. How is Ichimoku Cloud conducted? So as I told, level A, level B, or Senkyu A, Senkyu B, these are the Japanese name given to this indicator. So how these are calculated? The formula is as shown. Close line plus baseline divided by 2 is the green line of the cloud, and pink line is 52 period high, 52 period low divided by 2. That is the pink color line of the chart. So now again, if the river is flowing southward, we show the cloud structure which is formed, the color is given red. If the river is moving northward, we show the color is green. So red means south, green means north. Once you understand this, remember this is the main concept. If the price is trading below the cloud, the overall breadth of the market is bearish. If the price is trading above the cloud, the overall breadth of the market is bullish. So this is how you need to understand the cloud structure. So I'll just color it and show you on the chart. This is about the cloud. This is how the Ichimoku Cloud is formed. And if the market enters in the cloud and then exit, that is how the continuation trade will continue. If while entering it goes above the cloud, that means the trend has changed. So this was regarding the cloud. Now let me show you the entire indicator of the Ichimoku. So how do we exactly take a trade? So while discussing, we have discussed if red line is below blue line, that shows a bearishness. Blue line itself shows some indicators. The green line itself shows some indicators. Then cloud itself shows some indicator. Then how do we combine? So for example, now this red line is below blue line, and the first indication is market price goes above the blue line. That is the first indication. Second indication is red line goes above the blue line. Third indication is the green line, Chiku span, is above the price. And the fourth indication is the market goes above the cloud. That is how the reversal happens. And once it goes, then it continues. So first few positions are taken when the first signal comes, few positions are taken then the second signal comes, few positions are taken when the third signal comes, and it continues. So this is the way it is calculated. This is the way we see how to take a trade. This is the way the trend of the market is identified. And in the same structure, while going up, if we find like flat line structure, it is a time has come to book the profit. And in this process, if it goes below the cloud, entire can be exited. So this is how the entire cloud structure is used. Now, in this video, now we will see about how to look at the complete Ichimoku structure and the buy and sell rule. So I have already explained the various levels. Now every part component has some rules. Now we will give them the ranking. Now we will give them marks. We will give them which line are most important. So if the price is crossing the cloud, we will give out of 10 9 marks. If the price is crossing the Kijun-sen line, we will give 8 marks. If the color of the cloud is red or green, we will give you 5 marks. If the crossover of price happens with Kijun-sen, we will give you 5 marks. If Tangsen red line crosses Kijun-sen blue line, we will give you 4 marks. If Chiku span is above mark, we will give 4 marks. If the crossover of Tangsen line happens with the price, we will give 3 marks, and we will see the direction and we will give 3 marks. So it's not necessary all the parameters will get satisfied at a given point. Even few parameters are satisfied, you can start taking the trades, and then you can go on positive averaging when more and more parameters are getting satisfied. So this is how the trading is done in with the help of Ichimoku. Now you see here, suppose now if I want to start here, now this was going a transition phase happened. First the price has closed above it, but after that even the red line has crossed. So at the time of red line cross, I will see where is my green line. If the green line is above price, that is when all these three signals get satisfied. First entry can be taken based on this signal. Now the crossover of cloud will take some time. So the moment the crossover of cloud happens and any blue line or red lines become flat, that means some retracement has happened. The second entry can be taken at that time. If it doesn't happen, you already have the first entry. And now after this, whenever the blue lines get flat like structure, you can exit for a few entries. And if the price goes below the cloud, you can exit. So this is how the entire buy and sell strategy is done using the Ichimoku Cloud. So now we will see in this video how this Ichimoku is traded in congestion market and is trending market. Any indicators in technical analysis gives good results when the market is trending. So is the case with Ichimoku Cloud. But market will be sometime bullish, sometime bearish, sometime sideways. So how do we understand based on Ichimoku the sideways market? So in order to understand the sideways market, you just need to plot the cloud. If you find the cloud structure is forming, the width of the cloud structure is flat or less and continuously red green structure you are getting, that means the market is sideways. Now the moment the width increases and the rest of the indicator supports, that means the market is trending. So this is how you need to understand. And if you are finding after some time green red happening, that means market has entered in the sideways. So you need to wait for some time till the trend emerges. And once the trend emerges, then you can think of taking the trade. So in the sideways market, instead of using Ichimoku, you can use other indicator. You can see my video on Bollinger Band. So sideways market is very good for the Bollinger Band strategy. Overbought and oversold strategy works fantastically well. So this is the Bollinger Band. So whenever it touches the upper band, lower band, so more you can get to know in the Bollinger Band video. You can use other strategy, that is oscillators, overbought and oversold. It works very good in sideways market. So this is how the sideways market can be traded. Ichimoku works very well in the trending market. So this was all regarding the Ichimoku. I have tried to explain you each and every component. So let me at the end revise all the component once again. So first of all, we have seen the red line. So what is the red line? Red line is called as conversion line. It is a 9-period average of 9-period high, 9-period low divided by 2. What is the baseline? Baseline is a blue line. Base is a Kujusen line. Kujusen line is found by 26-period high and 26-period low average divided by 2. Lagging line is Chikusen line. It is 26-period. If the price is above the Chiku span, that shows the market is bullish. If the price is below, the Chikusen line is below the price, the market is bearish. Then there are the two clouds, that is green and red. And in this fashion, the entire Ichimoku structure is formed, and we try to explain you the buy and sell rule based on the Ichimoku. So this was all regarding this Ichimoku. Now, if you like our video, if you are finding we are adding the too much knowledge and information, and the knowledge and information which can help you to pinpoint trade, to take a trade properly, and we request you to join our YouTube channel and subscribe the link below here. Just click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest news at the earliest. So do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So this was all regarding for today. Thank you.